Alrighty, we got a little different footage going on today. No more in the car. We're letting the car warm up, air them up, put some feel in it. We're gonna go do some hood rat shit with some friends, and we're gonna run up the new setup and see what it does against Michael's Mustang. We have the same rear end, except for mine is a 7373, his is a 355, and we're gonna see what the setup does. So we're gonna clip it, get to Mexico, which is about an hour and a half drive from here. Gonna go find my passport, and we're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna go do some hood rat shit. So we'll see you there. All right, I think we're recording. So basically what we're doing today really is we're just gonna go have some fun. We're gonna use Michael as a template for like non-track times, I guess. So before I do any more upgrading besides what I have on it now, it's actually kind of bright out. I need my glasses. We're just gonna test it, see what it does, and then we'll go on to the Holley EFI, Flex Fuel, cam, maybe turbo, and then we'll use them as a template throughout the upgrading. But it ought to be a little fun thing. We're gonna go have some fun. This is the first race, like I said, and I'm pretty sure I said it. Y'all probably couldn't hear me, so if you could hear me, I'm gonna keep it in here anyways. This is the stock 5.3, 91, which, whatever. T56 with the short throw, the whole short throw kit, to a Ford 88 373 geared rear end. A 40 roll and a 70 roll, I think, or a 40 and a 60, and we'll just go from there. And yeah, it ought to be fun. So when we get to the spot, I will see y'all then. And yes, to Mexico we go. We're gonna stop by and get some bean burritos and some salsa. All right.
We say bye-bye.
get today. Do it. Mustang flyby. I probably should get some walkie-talkies or something, or have him. We need a countdown person because I need my windows up so they don't rattle because there's no, I don't have any seals in them. But yeah, I gave him the junk twice because I couldn't hear his horn, which kind of sucks. But I mean, I still gained on him, which is good. That's a decent template for what I have. I feel like if it was a